Hi friends, welcome back. My name is Mahama. Mama Haru Mama. You guys are invited to my pizza party. Woo! Let's make pizza together. Alright, we have lots of toppings. What pizza should we make? I love mushrooms, so I'm gonna put some mushroom toppings. Mushroom pizza. Ooh. How about everyone's favorite? Pepperoni. Pepperoni toppings. For veggie lovers, we have green and red pepper. Yummy! Ooh, I'm getting creative. How about an egg pizza?
Oh, yucky!
No? No egg pizza?
No!
Okay. Then we'll continue on. How about veggie pizza? We'll do a mixture of veggies. Mushroom topping, green pepper and red pepper. And I'll add extra mushroom because I love mushrooms.
Yes!
I know, we need some proteins. How about a fish pizza?
Oh no! It's yucky!
Why? Fish is so good. You wanna try a fish pizza?
No!
Okay. Alright. And we'll just go with all meat pizza. We'll put some pepperoni and some sausage. It's a meat pizza, meat lovers pizza.
Yes!
Alright. I need something refreshing. How about a strawberry pizza? You know, strawberries taste good on everything. Let's try on the pizza.
No! It's yucky!
No?
No!
Okay. Then let's just make a combination pizza.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Alright. So let's put a mushroom. Let's put some pepperoni. Last but not least, we have our green and red pepper toppings.
Yay!
Pizza! Pizza party! Woohoo! Let's eat! Who wants to slice first?
Me!
Which one?
Combination!
Alright, combination is what you'll get. Let's cut the pizza. One slice of combination pizza for you.
Thank you!
Who else would like one? If you want a slice, click thumbs up and subscribe. Let's be friends. Mahama, Mama Haru Mama. See you guys next time. Bye.